Let's talk about navigating through a worksheet. Now, a worksheet could be small enough that you see the entire worksheet on your screen and you really don't need a lot of navigating techniques. But once your worksheets grow larger, either horizontally through many columns or vertically through many rows, it's good to have efficient navigating techniques. Let me demonstrate some of these with the mouse and with the keyboard on the data worksheet. So I'm going to go over to the data worksheet. I'm going to start with the mouse technique. And I'm going to use the vertical scroll bar, which is over here on the right side. So one way of moving up and down is by clicking the down arrow at the bottom of the vertical scroll bar, or for each click you move up a row by clicking the up arrow. So that's one way of moving up and down. Another way is to take the scroll button itself and drag it to the bottom of the worksheet, or to the middle of the worksheet, or anywhere you want proportionally. So that's another way of moving up and down. And the third way is to take the mouse pointer and click below the scroll button in the vertical scroll bar, but not on the arrow. And for each click, you move down or up a screenful at a time. So the same is true for the horizontal scroll bar. I can go to the right or to the left a column at a time. I can drag the button, or I can click to the left or the right of the button to move a screenful to the left or a screenful to the right. Now let's talk about keyboard techniques. So obviously there are arrow keys on your keyboard, and every time you tap an up, down, or left and right arrow, you move. So that's one way. The page up and the page down keys move you up and down a screenful at a time. So if I press the page down key, I'm moving down. I'm now down to row 51 and below, and keep going with each page down a screenful of rows at a time. Page up brings you up a screenful at a time. That's a very handy technique if you're familiar with the page up and the page down keys. Now there's also a way of moving to the right and to the left a screenful at a time, and it's using a helper key with the page up and the page down key. So you use the Alt key. So you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, so why don't you find that? And with that held down, you just tap the page down key and you move to the right a screenful at a time, and then Alt page up moves to the left a screenful at a time. So these are some of the techniques for moving around the worksheet. There are many other techniques, and I cover some of those in my keyboard shortcuts document that you can also have available to you.